Asuntoskeittiölahden tuhkima.
Shall we take 1 or 2 here?
Yeah, 2 bro.
It's the 28th of September 2022. We have Tapparakatu. The last one that we filmed that is residential, but you, Clocker 86, have filmed A, B, and E, and C.
Yeah.
It was built in the beginning of 1970. That's University 18341. Turned 50 years old in 2020. It's going to be inspected in 2024. And I can come back to A, B, C, and D later if I want to later. But when they are filmed, I can come back later, maybe, but not now. We don't have to now. Tässä oli Keijupuisto, Lahti, Finland. That's irritating one, right?
Yeah.
It's rare. The red light and 70 is not.
Yeah.
Also here Tapparakatu 1, all 5 staircases we just filmed.
Yeah.
And they are from from late 1969. Or D&D mostly.
Yeah.
Yeah, we pressed the enter button, they opened by mistake.
Yeah.
That's right. The right way to do it. For the last one that was not filmed overall yet.
Yeah.
And the only cameras.
Yeah.
And here in Keijupuisto we only have 2 more original ones to be filmed as soon as possible.
Yeah.
And they both are MP8 from 1973 and 71.
Is dit kaikki vain maintained by Kone?
Yes. So that's it. Thank you very much.
That's